Hello and welcome, Piotr Fissner here, Peter. Guys, so this video is for the clients which within time will become a member or partner for the Inte.Team. Now, before we will go into the Inte.Team, I would like to thank you for taking your time of watching this video. This is a really important stuff for all of us as a whole human race. We're talking here about the right to repair. If you've spoken with me, that's great. If you haven't, I won't take long to explain just a bit. So the right to repair is the right so that you or myself, we can fix stuff. Yes, we can just do it the right way, which will be shown in the small presentation here in 8 slides. So let's say it's 18 past now. We will take, or 19, we will take about 10 minutes, hopefully, to go through the majority. So maybe a few more minutes and video will be finished. So hopefully you've got the time. If you don't have that much time, please pause it and come back to it whenever you've got time. So so first stage of development. In the first stage, we're building bookRepairOnline.co.uk. This is built already. It's not finished yet, but it's built and it's usable. You can go to the website, it's working. It has the HTTPS event. It's not here present, but because I haven't put the redirect. But it is HTTPS, so it's certified that it's a safe website. Now this is for the repair shops, yes? Everything is explained here, so I won't go into the detail. But as a client, you've got, we can go to this test account for the vampires, and you can see there is e-wallet, and loyalty program. Loyalty program is not yet coded, but the e-wallet is. You can deposit here, let's say £10 per month. That's my minimum what I set it up here, and by doing so you will have your e-wallet increase of that £10, yes? Now, why you want to spend £10 per month, you might be asking, and that would be a good question. If you save up £10 here per month, I am able to develop that right to repair for us. Now what it is I will be buying, as I'm buying right now, stuff of people, but I've got a limited budget to do it, yes? So I can buy more stuff from people, faulty stuff. Within time, when everything will be developed, we can give better prices for the faulty devices, even, yes? And part of it, like £1, will be always set aside to run the right to repair. The rest I will try to manage, so that you've got this growing here, and then when you want to spend money, you will have products as we have right now. We've got Xboxes, we've got home theater systems like 5+1, we've got other stuff. Now I bought the Nintendo Switch Lite. So we've got items in stock which we will have only for those members here. Yes, so the money which you can spend here will be used in our store. Now, everyone who, there's a referral link, I'll show you here, and you can book in repairs, yes? Alright, you can choose the device brand and so on, put your email down, and then you will have that account which you've seen, yes? So you need to use the service and Fissner IT to do it. I'll put the link down below. So it's 21, so let's rush. And in the second stage of the development, we will build what's called an Inte.Team. Inte.Team stands for Integrity Team, and we will be growing that to over 1 million of members. Now imagine yourself this £1 which I gave as an example. If we will have 1 million members, we can have £1 million per month. And you might be asking, Peter, why do we need that £1 million per month? Yes. Well, you see, we will go through the presentation and I think you will understand because that's explained here. But in general, it's a huge movement and require a lot of funding. So so what we are up to? We want to have available schematics to all the devices we fix. We want to have available components, board view, which you see the board, main board, how the components are connected, and then not marrying components. That means if they are married and the component is faulty and you can't use this device anymore because the component was married to the main board with some other like Blu-ray, then we need to learn how to marry it again, yes? and have the opportunity to do it, or not marrying them in the first place, yes? So together we're stronger, yes, but on our own we already lost the battle. So it's time to integrate, it's time for Inte.Team, yes? Let's join forces to make this world a better place. That's what I wrote for you. So hopefully you like to make this world as a better place. And how we want to do it, yes? Let's do it at looking at the problem and potential solution first. So we've got lack of resources. As we know, it's less and less possible or worth to fix electronics. Let's create change. Together we can help one another with fixing electronics and parts availability. That's why we're creating this book repair online, so that all the repair shops can go together as a one, yes, and help each other, help one another. That will be possible. And by lack of resources, I meant all the schematics, all those components, and so on, yes? So it's time to bring the change, yes? And by having 1 million per month, as we discussed it before, we can build fixable electronics and create more jobs, yes? So if we will have this 1 million per month, even 100,000 per month, we can go and do knock to Microsoft, to Sony, to Nintendo, and to other brands, yes? And we can say, look, we've got 1 million pounds spare money, which we've got two choices to do with, yes? We either build fixable electronics and we make new competition on the market, or you are helping us to fix your devices by providing everything what we've spoken in the previous slide, yes? So that's fourth now. We're making sure that people who join our core team are coming with a passion in their field. Yes, analytics team, coding team, marketing team, research and development team, yes? Each person in the Inte team is not treated as just a regular employee. They are members and partners, are Inte team, and they are the Inte team. So we're looking what's their attitude towards it. Are they really care about the right to repair? Are they really caring about spending enough time and hassle to learn new things, not only to be around? We don't look for people to be around. We've got special treatment. We don't want to be another corpo style business, yes? So we really try to treat people in a better way. So now in steps, we're trying to see if by bringing the Inte team, market will react in a proper way and our funds will not be needed. We can spend them on improving other fields then. For instance, we could buy huge warehouses where we can grow for the whole year in vertical farms, it's called vertical farms, and we can grow healthy food with no pesticides, no other chemicals, yes, only natural fertilizers. We could grow it, we could have healthier food all year long, yes, and don't spend this money on this. But if these companies, if these funds are needed, then we have to act. You can be with us or against us, yes? So now, first book repair online. When we've got funds to finish coding, it's several months of coding, we finish the Inte team. Once Inte team is finished, we've got offers already to electronic companies, but what I meant here by that is offers, so that they will tell us if they want to make fixable devices on their own, yes, like those big brands, or we have to build our own fixable brand, yes? So they will tell us, we will react properly on that. And last 3 slides. So what about our brand? If none of the electronic companies will give us schematics, board view components, we build our own game consoles, mobile devices, laptops, TV, and hi-fi. Why? Because we can, yes? And when we can, we will be the people, the members who benefit out of it the most. We don't need to make so much profit as these companies do, yes? Keep it in mind. And we can bring jobs back to the UK because we can build these devices partially or fully, in the UK. So that will be something worth a hassle. Why we need our own brand, yes? With our brand we can decide to make fixable device, don't need huge profits because we will have funding from our members. And then we can put it back to the community, yes? So we can put job places here, as I was saying. Membership, part of it goes to the e-wallet and small part to help with the right to repair. E-wallet, here members can save up and earn by becoming members and partners, as you've seen. And the same is with Inte.Team and Right to Repair. By having a consistent income, we can plan ahead and build responsible electronic products. Now, are you with us? We're making sure that all we're doing is simple, accessible, and everyone has a chance to join. Yes, you can join us and help us make this world a better place. Let's limit e-waste to an absolute minimum. If you don't know, we waste thousands of tons of electronic devices every year. They are going onto the landfill. Or do nothing. If you do nothing, we will still do it, yes? But it's harder for us to help us if those who shouldn't care don't. We don't ask for a lot of time or money. From as little £10 per month, we can do it. Can you afford £10? If so, get in touch with me, because that's what we need. Look, it's 28, it's not that bad. Oh, 29, you see? So I can show you as well, before disconnecting with you. Here is Dom. Dom is Polish home, yes? So that's my home computer. You see the toxic colors? We're already building this Inte.Team thing. Those colors are in purpose, yes? Why they are in purpose? Because we want to show how we've poisoned the world and it's time to do something, yes, e-waste. Only my graphic made a joke, which he has to correct on the next slide. Here he put the wrong plug to the British socket, so I said, what have you done? You live in Britain, come on. You should know it. So yeah, it's a bit of a fun here, so he has to redesign it. Now he had a problem with his iMac, so he's dealing with that one. Once he will deal with that one, he will correct it, yes? So that's what it is. Yeah, so notice the problem, which you notice the problem already. Learn to begin the change and be the change with us. That's as simple as that, yes? Shopping, yes, membership and repair. That's all we are after, yes? So yeah, so that's what we are doing. Time is ticking, more poison is coming on the way, so let's clear it up, yes? Let's clear it up. We don't need to wait, we can just do it. So yeah, so we planning to start within the next 2 months that Inte.Team thing. I will be registering Inte.Team as a self-employment first now, before the end of the tax year even. And then we will be calculating cost of running the LTD, and we will say by how many people joining us, like members, yes, we can open the LTD, because that will be running cost, that will be a bigger cost for us. So guys, thank you for watching, thank you for taking your time for those 13 minutes now, nearly, and hopefully you can get back to me and you can join us. We can make this world a better place. I'm counting on you guys, we're counting on you as a whole human race. So thank you for watching and hear you soon. Bye bye.